Welcome to Bonitz Castle, one of the most enchanting, oldest and most significant monuments in Slovakia. This masterpiece has inspired kings, artists and dreamers for centuries. Bonitz Castle was home to the noble Pafi family for nearly 3 centuries. Their legacy shaped the castle's history, leaving behind a timeless beauty we can still admire today where history meets fairy tales. Join us as we step into its magic and uncover the secrets behind its walls. In Pentagonal Tower, the woven Gothic tapestries from 14th and 15th centuries are the oldest textiles in Central Europe. Winter garden was used to store plants in the winter months, as it was the warmest rooms. Air vents in the floor under the windows supplied heat. The room was also used as a game room to play cards, chess or the Tivoli game. At the end of the room you can admire a 17th century Huban tile stove which was operated from the room behind in order not to disturb men at play. The largest painting above the fireplace by Hermann Kolbert is called To All Souls. The lining of the walls and the ceiling in the gallery is made of walnut wood. Cut from pine wood and decorated with gold leaf. 183 ancient faces look down on us from the ceiling, each one has different expression. On the wall hang you can see 2 horns of an Indian buffalo with a circumference of 51 cm. The crest of the House of Pafi is placed in the middle of the ceiling, other crests belong to related noble families. The chandelier was bought from Palestine which has Greek letters Alpha and Omega on top and has 3 oil candles on the bottom. located almost 26 meters below the fort courtyard. Here we can see the bottom of the well which was seen in fort courtyard. In cave we can see findings from Stone Age, and in the past it was not only the source of water but probably served as best hiding place. Outside Bonit's castle, you'll find cozy restaurants where you can enjoy brunch while taking in stunning views of the castle. Just steps away, there's also a zoo and a bird park, making it a destination that everyone can enjoy. We had a wonderful time exploring both inside and outside the castle. It was truly a magical experience worth remembering. Families can relax as kids play in nearby parks, while ice cream shops offer sweet treats on a sunny day. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Bonit's castle. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Do Vidania. Until the next adventure, see you soon.